Hello everyone, my name is Daoud Oladimeji. I'm a community champion and this is my second month volunteering for the Community Champion Leeds. I decided to become a community champion because of the passion for it. So I love helping people, I love offering services to people. Then the second motivation for me for becoming a community champion will be I worked alongside with my father. He's a medical doctor and he owns his own private practice. So I got to see a lot of things that he did within the community back home in Nigeria. So we usually go out to the community and do outreaches. We talk to pregnant people and we also consult during those times. So I think that those are the two things that motivated me to become a community champion. It's built my confidence a lot.
I'm David Smith. I'm a trustee at Crossgates Good Neighbours and I'm also a community champion. What I get out of it is it gets me out and about and lets me see things that I wouldn't see otherwise. For example, the food bank at Rainbow Junction, that's quite an eye-opener. It also lets me appreciate just how much health and care in Leeds depends on volunteers. Everywhere you go, there are really dedicated volunteers. So that's the other thing I get out of it. Well, as you know, we try to give them health and welfare and lifestyle information, and we just try to have a general talk with them and help them to live a healthier, happier life. I think the community champions are unique because they grew out of COVID. They were set up during COVID, and they've managed to revise their aims to make it much more wider than just the COVID vaccinations. So that's what makes them unique. Yes, as I say, the community champions are all volunteers, and volunteers do so much throughout Leeds. So we're really grateful for all the support that comes from Leeds City Council through Voluntary Action Leeds for what the volunteers do.
Hi, my name is Ekutosi and I am a community champion. So my passion for public health, my passion to see that health inequality is nipped, my passion to see that people lead a healthy lifestyle, my passion to see that people take control over the actions, over the factors that affect their health was what brought me to Community Champion, and I can say for sure that it has been worth it. Volunteering for the Community Champion has given me the opportunity and the privilege to reach out to people in my own little way, providing people with health information, making sure that those that need support get the support they need by signposting them to places where they will get this support. And one thing that is unique about what community champions do is that they are focused on solving the problem of health inequalities. A lot of people are struggling due to the cost of living crisis and the post-COVID effect on the economy. So a lot of people are struggling with their mental health and all of that. So community champions signpost them to where they can get this help by bringing it to their doorstep, to wherever they are, reaching out to people in their own local communities. And that is something that is very wonderful. The other part is the part that Community Champion provides a lot of information. We provide health information to people. I am studying public health promotion, and that, I would say, is the new face of public health, enabling people or empowering people to take control over the factors that determine their health. Tackling the social health determinants, these are things that Community Champion do. So it is believed that when people have enough information, they could put their knowledge to action in order to take control over the factors that affect their health. Over time, I've noticed that people are beginning to trust the Community Champion because they are getting to know more about Community Champion every day and they get the help they need. So this thing makes them keep coming back for more information and signposting. So that trust with Community Champion, I can say, is growing every day.
Hello, my name is Linda Craven. I'm 58 years old. I'm a community champion and I'm mainly based at Rainbow Junction, Hyde Park, promoting healthy living, healthy lifestyle. It's great here. It's food share, people coming with all sorts of needs from all over the world. It is very fulfilling, and meeting lots of people, coming alongside them and helping them look after themselves.
I became a community champion during the COVID pandemic. I joined the scheme because I wanted to help people get the right information about COVID, and since then the role's developed to educate people into the roles of health and well-being as well, which has been very good. I find that it's very beneficial to share information, and human nature makes us want to help one another. Sometimes it's really hard for people to be signposted or get information about being healthy or maintaining their well-being as well. So it's nice that we can talk to one another as fellow friends rather than lecturing and dictating or lecturing people about what we do. So it's nice to share information, and I find that very, very useful. I think people find it beneficial because they're talking to a person rather than a professional. They can relate to what they are hearing and the information they are processing as well. And it's always just good just to chat to one another rather than being told what to do. The role is really adaptive. No one day is the same when you're volunteering and being a community champion. Sometimes you are there just to listen to one another, but sometimes you're there to help somebody. Either way, you do get a lot of benefits from it, and other people do as well.